My name is Trivedi, and we are represent here our company Trivedi and Company. We are display here our Rotogravure printing machine. This is ELS model for 350 line speed, and this is MLS for 250 line speed. And we are making also solventless lamination, extrusion lamination, slitting machines, rewinding machines. These are all our product range. So basically, this is the very high-speed printing machine. It is run with the ELS technology. So all servo from the Siemens and high-quality auto register control systems are there, and all equipments are branded. This is our MLS 250 line speed machine, and it is with the all latest technology. And we are displaying here only single station, so you can have an idea. With all safety features, we are displaying here. This is latest design doctor blade assembly with the all dimension. You can work with the all angle and circumference. For contact details, our mail ID is info@ctrivedi.com, and contact number is 98253 26286.
Thank you, sir.